Hey boys and girls, I'm going to show you where you can find your HCS supplemental activity in science called Solutes and Solvents. You're going to start by going to your science course. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Under the HCS supplemental resources, we're looking at Solutes and Solvents activity. Right here, so I'm going to click on that. And for this assignment, you're going to be focusing on solutions, solvents, and solutes. So a simple solution is basically two substances that are evenly mixed together. One of them is called the solute and the other is called the solvent. The solute is the substance to be dissolved. For example, sugar. The solvent is the one doing the dissolving. For example, water. So you've got two steps here. Step one is to watch the solution, solvent, and solute video, which is attached below right here. You can watch that video, and as you watch, think of a way to remember the difference between the solute and the solvent. Step two, you're going to download and complete the Solutes and Solvents worksheet. Upload the Solutes and Solvent worksheet to the submission area. So after you watch the video, you're going to complete the activity here, Solutes and Solvents. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can take a look. Okay, directions: label each item in the solution as a solute or the solvent. There's a hint here. The solvent is always in the greater amount. So you've got a 2-page worksheet where you are determining which one is the solute and which one is the solvent. Remember, the solvent is always in the greater amount. So for example, number one, our solution is cigarette smoke that spreads through the air. Well, which one is the greater amount, the cigarette smoke or the air? Air is going to be the greater amount. So air is going to be your solvent. Cigarette smoke would be your solute. Okay, so you're going to go through and do that for 2 through 12. And for 13 and 14, you are coming up with your own solution, and then you'll label which one's the solute and which one's the solvent. So for example, you could do Kool-Aid. The solute would be the water. The solvent would be the water. The solute would be the Kool-Aid mix that you add to the water. Okay? And then you can even use that example for 13 if you'd like. 14, you can come up with your own. Okay? When you're done with this 2-page worksheet, you're then going to submit it by clicking on the blue plus button that's here in the bottom right-hand corner.